Alrighty, I'm here with another layout, and I went ahead and I'm using, excuse me, Basil cardstock as my background, and I already did the mixed media. Let me see. Oh, good night. I was trying to grab my keyless corkboard. Alright, so these little die cut backgrounds came in a past kit, and I'm going to use it, or one of them, behind the photo. Let me see. What did he write, Patton? All right. So I'm going to glue the background down. And I think the mixed media, I use Vicki Boutin's watercolors. All right, and then my paper layers are scraps left over from May, because this is my first layout using the June kit. So I had a few bits and pieces as far as scraps left over from May that I wanted to use up before I cut up some of the June papers to make layers behind my photo. Alright, so for my die cuts, the chipboard stickers are going to be crepe papers, all heart from the May kit. I do use die cuts that are Vicki Boutin, and then I'm also going to use some puffy stickers that are from Vicki Boutin. I think I'm going to move that back there till I use it. Oh, dryer's done. Alright, so Plantain chips are American Crafts Indigo Thickers, and then R is American Crafts Be Kind Thickers, and Yummy is American Crafts Chill Thickers. And I did use a Note to Self tab, which is American Crafts Hello Friend Thickers. So a lot of thickers within this kit. And then that's going to pretty much complete my kit, or complete my layout. Once I get my title down, that's pretty much going to be it. So I'm just going to say goodbye and so long for now. And when I have more done, I will, oh my gosh, Plantain. Oh no, I spelled it right. Never mind. Never mind. Sorry, I thought I spelled it wrong. I was like, no. Anyway, so When I have more done, I will certainly be back with those, and I